In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to unfollow a Facebook page you don't like anymore. First method is to unfollow from your newsfeed. Open your newsfeed and find a post from the page you want to unfollow. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post, and from the menu, select Unfollow the page name. Second method is to unfollow directly from the page. Use the search function to find the page you want to unfollow. Once on the page, tap on the three dots below the cover photo and select Following, and then tap on Unfollow to confirm. 3. Unfollow from Pages tab. Tap the three horizontal lines from the Open menu. Select Pages and then go to Liked Pages. Find the page you wish to unfollow, tap Following and choose Unfollow. And lastly, follow or unfollow from the feed preferences. Navigate to the Settings, Newsfeed Preferences in the app. Tap Unfollow and then select Sort, and then Pages Only. Scroll through the list of pages and tap on the ones you want to unfollow. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.